Okay, so a few minutes later, and that's about it. This is not completely correctly installed. You can see here the nice thing about this Kilmat is it's got these little raised sections in the fill. You're supposed to run a roller over that until these are flat, and then you can be sure that it's going to adhere properly. I don't have my roller with me, so we're going to do that later. But on a flat surface like this that's not upside down, I don't feel like that's super critical, but it will be something we'll address. We did make our little fuel door cover here. I still wanted to be able to remove this, so we still have the screws exposed. You'll note these are actually M8 bolts, and that's because we had this out so much. We broke these little plastic things. They're like license plate holders, and one good upgrade for that is just put a rib nut in there, and that really helps you clamp this down. Particularly if you've had to tweak the shape of this a little bit to clear some lines under here. The plastic pieces may not be strong enough to kind of pull the plate back down. So far we're getting away with these two being okay. Here's a little sealant from when we used to run a wire through here, but it's not doing anything right now. Probably pick that out of there. And that's really about it. It should really take some of the noise out of this as far as road noise and also fuel pump noise. And that's kind of what we were going after. We also have a sub to put here, and so having that here is going to help with the sub not resonating off the car too. Hope that was useful. Not really a big deal. You can kind of do this to any car. I think we got this off Amazon. Got a big box for maybe $60 or $80, and I think it's enough to do this whole car. They say you should do at least 30% of a particular panel to be effective, but complete coverage is not really mandatory unless you're just trying to get everything out of it. If you're building a SPL competition car, I'm sure things are different, but we're just making a nice drag and drive car that doesn't make us get quite as fatigued going down the road.